Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up delegated signing versus signing groups in Docusign. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to authorize someone else to sign documents on your behalf or manage signing responsibilities across your team. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have these ready so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile avatar. Click on this avatar, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Preferences. This will take you to a dedicated area where you can customize various account settings and manage important features like delegation. Once you're in the Preferences section, look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a list of different categories and options. Click on Delegation to access the tools that allow you to assign signing authority to others. This is the heart of the delegation setup process. Now, in the upper right corner of the delegation page, you'll notice a button labeled Add Delegate with a plus sign. Click on this button to begin adding a new delegate to your account. This action will open a form where you can specify all the necessary details for your delegation setup. The first thing you'll need to configure is the start date. Navigate to the Start Date field and click the Date Picker. This calendar interface allows you to select the exact date when you want the delegation to begin. Choose your preferred start date carefully, as this determines when your delegate can start signing on your behalf. Next, move down to the End Date field and click the Date Picker there. Select the date when you want the delegation to expire. This gives you full control over how long the delegation remains active, ensuring it doesn't continue indefinitely unless you want it to. Below the date fields, you'll see a section labeled Select Delegate. Here you'll notice a drop-down menu that says Search By. Click on this drop-down to reveal your options, which include searching by name or email. Select your preferred search method based on what information you have available for the person you want to add as a delegate. Once you've chosen your search method, type the name or email into the text field that appears. This allows Docusign to locate the specific person you want to authorize as your delegate. Finally, in the bottom right corner, you'll see an Add button. Click this to finalize the delegation setup. However, it's important to note that if you're using a free Docusign account, the Add button may be disabled. In order to enable this feature and complete the delegation process, you'll need to upgrade your account to a paid plan that supports delegation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up delegated signing in Docusign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.